Hello, it's Matteo, as usual, victim of this criminal Employment Tribunal and Employee Appeal Tribunal, anyway, criminal. I have the authority. Someone take legal action against me for what I'm saying, because I am very upset. This is the message for Mr. Justice Similar from, he's the President of Appeal Tribunal, which I sent this letter. Okay, 11th of August. Maybe he's in holiday, or probably he's deaf, blind, like David Richardson, the Secretary of Justice, and still waiting for an answer. But this message is for you, Mrs. Simler. Don't be like the Employee Tribunal President, Brian Dole. Can he just ignore? No, just ignore. Just like rude. Just say no. I don't want your complaint. When I have a right to complain for what this dishonest tribunal, a judge of always in what for it. So I'm telling you, kindly, absolutely nothing against you. You are the right person. Never offend you. But you know, your judge, this, they sent to me, Honor Judge David Richardson. This should have been in prison. This dishonest person, and you know why. One reason, I won't explain that story because of my blood, but one reason means he says, can you know the law, I know the law. I sent this in Employment Tribunal asking for default judgment, which my ex-employee, oil company group, which British Petrol, which probably is very generous with your judge, has defaulted. At the default, you know what you mean defaulted. If people can either what is mean default in judgment, or in default in consequence of miscomplete for order LS order, which I have the proof is on my blog. I ask for default judgment. Try to sort out this case. Amicable. What I ask? My ex-employee discriminate. I did not complete with the order, did not apply the right law, cheating, believing just big oil company they can win. In this country exists the Equality Act 2010, which is we are all same. In UK, which I'm a resident, I'm Italian, I'm a resident here, I paid the tax for many years here. I don't want to be discriminated from you. Your employee tribunal and from Watford employee tribunal, as well from my ex-employee, because I has to learn the lecture. So I'm telling you, take this case very seriously, because after the procedure is, after the outcome of your dishonest judge here, did not give me an explanation, okay, just believing I'm an idiot, not just discriminating, but treat like idiot, okay. So after this outcome, I pay £400 for fee, the tax for the tribunal, for the appeal tribunal, and to get this from your dishonest judge. £400, which I don't work for 2 years. I have been sick. I have been very a lot of problem, which I have people which have to give 400 back. I have to give back this money. I don't tell because I'm not working. This is absolutely. I'm very upset for this. So I have to report too, because the law says that after the appeal and tribunal decision, so we have to contact the president. I'm doing like what exactly the law say, and make sure that you understand the message. I'm sharing this by email with another body, included serious fraud office, OPC, and they do something, the proper job, and National Security Agency, The police, I won't exclude it because I don't think they are able to do this. I mean, no investigate, ma a other body from Parliament, from Labour, from Liberal Democratic, and sending again the David Littingham, whatever is Mr. Justice, because he's still deaf and blind, like the media, like BBC, blah blah blah. When we talk about British petrol, nobody has to do something. Apparently, I'm not accusing him absolutely for this. This just my opinion. And I don't want to say, but probably my ex-employer has been given some gift to this couple of judge. This is not up to me to say, but I'm sure it's this. Just I'm telling you, so we have to try to find some conclusion on this. I don't want to come in Westminster or whatever with my speaker here, 600 watts, and the microphone and say justice is corrupt with the sign with my friend. You have to try to avoid this, because we want to make me upset. And the government apply the law in this country, employment law, the law, pay a lot of money. This judge, I don't know how much pay, sustain the tribunal for taxpayer like me, and the citizens are victim of this criminal system of this judge. No one, absolutely, but this judge. So I hope anyone understands my message, especially Mr. Justice similar. Well, what I can say, I would waiting for the replay. I am no at the address where I was been living, so please contact me by email. It's in my blog. Hope we conclude this shameful scenery in this lovely country I love so much. Bye bye.